Closing your Shopify Partner account is a permanent action that requires you to cancel any active stores or development projects first. Log into your Shopify Partner dashboard and navigate to the Stores section. You must transfer ownership of any live client stores to the client or another collaborator. If you have development stores that are not needed, you must deactivate them individually by clicking the trash icon next to each store name. You cannot proceed with the account deletion while any store remains active in your dashboard. Once your store list is completely empty, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account Settings. Look for a section called Account Status or scroll to the very bottom of the General Settings page. You will see a red text link that says Close Partner Account. Click this link to initiate the permanent deletion process. A verification prompt will appear warning you that this action cannot be undone and that you will lose access to all earnings information and historical analytics. You must read the consequences carefully because this data becomes irretrievable after the closure completes. If your account has a pending payout balance that exceeds $25, you will need to reach a payout threshold or wait for the next payout cycle before the system allows the closure to finalize. For balances under $25, you should contact Shopify Partner support directly through the chat feature to request a manual closure and to forfeit or reclaim those final earnings according to their terms of service. The system will not let you bypass the payout hold on your own. After confirming the closure through the verification prompt, Shopify sends a notification email to the address linked to your profile. You must open this email and click the confirmation link to finalize the deletion. If you do not click the link within the time frame specified, the closure request expires and your partner dashboard stays active. Check your spam folder immediately if the email does not appear in your primary inbox. Once the partner account is permanently removed, you can still use the same email address to log in as a regular merchant, but your collaborator access and earnings dashboard will no longer exist.